Good morning, sir. This is Pratibha from CSCA section. Today I discuss about the introduction to JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is the programming language of the web. It can update and change both HTML and CSS. It can calculate, manipulate, and validate data. JavaScript is one of the three languages all developers must learn: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML to define the content of web pages, CSS to specify the layout of web pages, JavaScript is to program the behavior of web pages. Introduction to JavaScript. JavaScript is a versatile, dynamically typed programming language used for interactive web application, supporting both client-side and server-side development, and integrating seamlessly with HTML, CSS, and a rich standard library. JavaScript is a single-threaded language that executes one task at a time. It is an interpreted language, which means it executes the code line by line. The data type of the variable is decided at runtime JavaScript. That's why it is called dynamically typed. Syntax of the JavaScript. JavaScript syntax refers to the rules and conventions dictating how code is structured and arranged within the JavaScript programming language. This includes statements, expressions, variables, functions, operators, and control flow structure. Syntax of JavaScript is console.log open bracket double quotations basic print method in JavaScript closed bracket semicolon. Example of the JavaScript. Hello World program in browser console. A Hello World program is the simplest way to get started with any programming language. Here how we can write one of using JavaScript. And this is the code for JavaScript. In this example, script tag is used to include JavaScript code inside an HTML document. Console.log prints message to the browser developer console. Open the browser console to see the Hello World message. Hello World program in server console. We can also print the Hello World program directly into the console terminal without embedded it into HTML. Create an index.js file and add the code to it. And this is the example for prints hello world to the console. Console.log means it is the method it is used to print messages to the browsers. Developer console. Open the console, usually with F12 or Control Shift plus J to see the message hello world displayed. Comments in the code. There are two commands, multi-line command and single line command. Multi-line command means slash double asterisk slash syntax is used to write a command spanning multiple lines. Single line commands, the syntax is used as double slash. Syntax is used for short inline commands, like the one explaining the console.log function. Key features of the JavaScript. Client-side scripting, versatile, event-driven, asynchronous, rich ecosystem. Client-side scripting means JavaScript runs on the user browser, so has a faster response time without needing to communicate with the server. Versatile means JavaScript can be used for a wide range of tasks, from simple calculations of complex server-side applications. Event-driven means JavaScript can respond to user actions like clicks or keystrokes in real time. Asynchronous means in JavaScript can handle tasks like fetching data from servers without freezing the user interface. Rich ecosystem means there are numerous libraries and frameworks to build an JavaScript, such as React, Angular, and Vue.js, which make development faster and more efficient. Client-side and server-side nature of JavaScript is client-side, server-side, imperative programming, declarative programming. Client-side means involves controlling the browser and its DOM handling user events like clicks and form inputs. Libraries such as AngularJS, React.js, and Versatile.js are commonly used. Server-side means interacting with databases, manipulating files, and generating responses. With Node.js and frameworks like Express.JavaScript. JavaScript is also widely used on the server side. Imperative programming means to focus on the how to perform tasks, controlling the flow of computation. It includes approaches like procedural and object-oriented programming language, often using constructions like asynchronous await to handle actions. Declarative programming means it focuses on what should be done rather than how it's done. It emphasizes describing the desired result, like with the arrow function, without detailing the steps to achieve it. Applications of the JavaScript. Web development. Web development means JavaScript adds interactively and dynamically behavior to static websites with popular frameworks like AngularJS enhancing development. Web applications. It means JavaScript provides robust web applications leveraging APIs, React, and Electron to create dynamic user experiences like Google Maps. Server application means Node.JavaScript brings JavaScript to the server side, enabling powerful server applications and full stack development. Game development means JavaScript combined with HTML5 and libraries like Ease JavaScript enables the creation of interactive games for the web. Smartwatches. Pebble.js allows JavaScript to run on smartwatches, supporting apps that require internet connectivity. Limitations of the JavaScript. Security risk. JavaScript can be used for attacks like cross-site scripting, XSS, where malicious scripts are injected to a website to steal data by exploiting elements like image tag, object tag, or script tags. Performance means JavaScript is slower than traditional languages for complex tasks. But for simple tasks in a browser, performance is usually not a major issue. Complexity means to write advanced JavaScript programmers need to understand core programming concepts, objects, and both client and server side scripting, which can be challenging. Weak error handling and type checking. JavaScript is weakly typed, meaning variables that don't require explicit types. This can lead to issues as type checking is not strictly enforced. And these are the limitations of the JavaScript. Thank you, sir.